Do you want to engage a little more with your friends on Instagram? Today, we are going to learn how to enable stories comments on your Instagram profile. This is a new update that Instagram released recently. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have the latest Instagram update. Open Google Play Store or App Store and install the latest update on your phone. Now open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down till you find Comments options. Tap on it. Here you can see the News section where you can enable story comments. You can choose who can comment on your story. Everyone. That means that everyone on Instagram can comment on your stories. Also, you can choose that people you follow can comment on your stores, and you can disable comments on your stories. Choose the desired option. I will choose the second one. Now my friend will comment on my story. Go and subscribe to his channel if you want the best content. And here it is. Comment on my story. You successfully enabled comments on your stories. Note that if you cannot see an update after updating the app, wait a couple of days and try again. That will be it from today's tutorial. For more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.